Like, who's this random guy? Who? Who's that? Who might that be? Oh my gosh. We're about to explore the ocean.
Is it waterproof?
No. Yeah. I will. It's a wide ocean. It's my first time doing such a thing. In 6 months. Over here. Oh, okay. Oh, the first group left already. Okay.
So it's like here you're 4 and they're like kind of 12.
Sounds like it's a you problem with wanting more. This is so cool.
That's my car. Oh, it is the actual sailboat.
Yeah. That's why I asked him. I was like, what? No way. They said they have a little cabin for my bag.
Let's take a picture.
水可以鞋子脱了反过来坐哈，可以到外面玩。啊，打不到哎。对，你要玩等等玩得到哈。
I can put my feet. And you? Everybody? If it's rain, I'm gonna slip under.
怎么聪明啊？还知道拿拖鞋。
那你俩怎么回去光脚？
Is the water cold? Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it's cool. You made it? You made it?
Look at that.
Oh, it's a party boat. Someone's birthday.
That's like yours.
Yeah, it is. Oh, they decorated on the front. Oh, that's cute. That's a cute idea. Where's Maverick? Oh, Maverick's over there.
Yes, Maverick should be over there.
Yeah. There's a Wyndham.
你得够得到那个水吗？那 is quite soft.
Yeah, mine too. Oh, you have to go down lower. Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah, it's fishing. Maybe the shark.
把你掉下去，真的可以啊！橡皮人要把鞋子脱了，真的，我害怕，我有，
我还以为是那种坏人的。哎呀，帆船它我们主要还是靠风走。现在外面没风，我们要靠这个家。外面有风就靠风走。
Wow. Are they diving off?
Yeah, they'll like get up and then they'll just dive. Look.
Oh, the birds. Oh, they're catching fish.
什么鸟啊？
不是海鸥啊，
这鸟。
它不知道叫什么鸟。海鸥比较大。最后一班了。好，我们日落时间最后一班啊，不然那个晚上的线路。对。
Maybe we can see the sunrise.
Sunset.
这么大。
Wow, we'll try.
We can see all the kids in here.
然后说它是先打桩啊，打那个圆形的钢管，打一圈，然后再打一圈，然后换底下换。
感受到船。
Oh, now we're sailing. Now we're sailing.
我脚真的碰到水，好舒服。
Ooh.
哇，一美在
40 meters. Oh, wow.
Down to that. Wow, that's how many?
左边这座大桥叫翔安大桥，大桥，船头这个方向是翔安，翔安，白色的这个线。
Oh, that's the bridge to Chang'an.
Oh, yeah, that's
The sports stadium. Oh, the sport. Okay, the sports stadium over there. They have like a lot of international games over there. Yeah.
Also, most of the staff will come here and then they.
Yeah, I saw a lot. Yeah, last 2 years. Yeah.
You can try to buy a ticket and then.
Oh, the water's warm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
从这个方向看，它都不一样。如果是从那个。
what's it? It's there. It says like
那个水好柔啊，有个意思。
看到海中间有在建大桥，这个是下金大桥。厦门到金门岛的大桥，现在在建啊。
你知道，自己太大了，然后给你说好的救我呢？然后我把10个人拉，Peter 明年失去，Peter 明年失去了我，你坐那么远，说好的救我，从哪边救？
那没事，就会飘回去的，没关系。40米救不了。
因为有那个水会，
然后我要。快艇。哦，有点大一点。快的是燕子。
jet
That's a speedboat.
speedboat, yeah.
That's my friend.
That's your friend? I was like, how can you tell? I was like, you got some fancy friends. Yeah.
I try to.
You wanna ready to go for lunch on our speedboat? Oh yeah. Brave enough.
Yeah, I don't want to try. You can go there.
Jack, and who wants to be my?
Randy, you can go with
Go.
Ethan.
Go where?
Jump, I jump.
Oh no.
Do we look like the bravest? Is that what you're saying?
哇，这个海浪很阔。站起来吗？
Do you want to go?
No.
Oh.
I'm not jumping.
Wait, who's jumping? Nobody's jumping. Oh, they're joking.
大概是翔安区分为2个村，中间左边这个右边那个大的鱼，那个船团那个就像海浪一样，波浪。真的。然后中间那个海浪里面。
Peter, you jump. I'm waiting for you.
Go Peter, 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 Peter.
对的，有点。
Show us the way, Peter. You be the guinea pig. My feet are wet. I'm gonna be slipping.
Right.
I'm gonna be slipping everywhere. I need to dry my feet first. Get it, Peter? Okay.
给他拍个照吧。张浩是谁？Peter 转过来，再给你拍一张。
走到前面那个白色的。
走到前面一点点。你去吧。
Oh, right there? Oh. I thought so too.
Things trying to figure it out.
Oh yeah, because you need to hold on. You can flip over this side.
让他
Ooh.
回家自己。
Ah, okay, okay.
小心注意安全。OK， 转过来。来，回过头来。哎，等一下，等一下。
Now the water's cool again.
Oh, it's cute. So warm.
我不敢。
Oh wow.
他老婆找我，不行。
Even the water in the shower though, cold is warm. I'm like, what is this? Cause I'm like, I'm trying to cool because I bathe in, you know, hot water.
Yeah.
First. Trying to cool. I'm like, what cool? There's no cooling off happening.
Oh gosh, I almost slipped.
Okay, Peter. I see.
对他的船有点平，有点好看。
What if I just slip?
So that's what I was worried about, which is why I was sitting like sprawled across it.
Smart.
And then I was like, well, that would be painful if it did happen. So now
But you
I'm
will
worried.
still be on the boat.
I'd still be on the boat. Which is the important part.
Peter's like, I like it up here. I'm not leaving.
Very comfortable.
It is comfortable. Here, it's more comfortable. You can leave.
Have you experienced this?
Sailing, yeah. When I lived in,
Yes.
I used to live in Qingdao. Yeah,
Oh, okay. This is most of our first time
yeah.
for most of us.
My school did the same thing. We sailed. We sailed in Qingdao.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Have you been to Qingdao before?
No.
Really?
I heard that's
It's so
very
beautiful. Yeah, it is.
place.
It is.
It's better than here.
Just that it gets cold though. It gets really cold.
Really cold in winter.
Oof. Yeah. Minus 12 or something.
So this is special thing, like the snow cover
Yeah.
the beach or
Yeah.
something.
So I lived in Jimu, which is a little bit further, and I lived in Weifang.
Weifang.
Yeah.
I know Weifang.
Yeah.
You lived there for many years, right?
No, 1 year each.
Oh, only 1 year.
Yeah, 1 year in Weifang and 1 year in Jimu.
Oh, in different school.
Same company but different schools. So the first school in Weifang, they opened a new school in Jimu.
Oh, so you.
Yeah, so they asked me to move to the new school with them. Yeah.
It's also this international school?
Yeah, the first one, it was a public school with an international department. And the second one was a full international school.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
nice. Company is very rich.
Exactly.
Own
Exactly.
two schools.
Yeah. They're doing well now. They're doing well.
Can we play some music?
Oh, look at you with the tunes. Brandy, okay? Here is so much more comfortable. You wanna come here? Yeah. You can lean, you can relax. I feel like you can relax here. The wind will, it's fine, don't worry about it. Yeah. You can lean back and relax. So she's like, don't slip into the water now.
Okay.
下去是吗？
Are you okay?
有看到海豚吗？
Is it comfortable or no?
It's okay. I feel secure.
Yeah.
干嘛欢迎你？不是， 看旁边也很。
You see some, you see a shark? What do you see, a shark? Is that our crew?
Is that our crew?
Who that? Do we know these people? Look, yeah, I see, Hey! Jump! It's not, you have to jump. Jump in, no?
998了，吹你喽！
Oh.
They have been to the treasure island.
I don't think they will tell us where the treasure is.
Oh yeah.
They'll be like, no,
Next time.
we didn't see anything.
One Piece. Have you seen the end? Yeah.
The Luffy and
No Japanese.
anime. No, I don't watch anime, but I've heard of this One Piece thing.
One Piece.
This thing called One Piece. I've never. Do you watch anime?
Luffy.
Yeah, that's what I heard of this Luffy person.
Luffy Solo.
I never watched it. Sorry,
Okay.
never watched anime.
I've heard of that.
It has been on over my age. Yeah.
It's what? It's long. It's not your.
Yeah. It was. It have been on TV for I don't know how many years. When I was young, it's already there.
Ah.
Yes. So it's very long.
Okay. Oh, my bag and my shoes.
下完船之后往我这个方向走，然后救生衣脱掉，光护栏上。
师傅，他那个包在底下。
然后等一下他会帮你们拿，不着急。
Oh, okay. Perfect. Thank you.
They will help you to take the bag.
Okay.
Don't worry.
No problem.
Yeah, you just go ahead and then.
然后跟刚才一样原路返回就可以了。来，好来。
谢谢。
站稳哈，一定要站稳。
Oh, thank you.
Pilates. 谢谢。
Oh yeah. My Pilates
弯腰
bag.
低头哈，弯腰低头小心，然后一定要站稳。
你脚不牵我，因为我是整车位了。
Oh, oh, oh.
刚刚已经收了。
Ooh. Ooh. Oops. Oh, my leg. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. That was fun. Did you enjoy it? Oh, thank you. Oh, got it. Brandy? You good? Yeah. That was fun. Yeah. All right, we made it. Oh, did you ask your landlord to reduce the rent for you?
I did not yet.
Oh,
I
okay.
think I'm going to.
You could ask anytime though.
Oh,
Yeah, some of them reduce it like in the middle of the year.
What?
So the first time they reduced it, like I didn't even ask for it. They just messaged me like it was a random month. It was like February or something. And she's like, oh, rent's gone down. I'll drop your rent. I was like, okay, I'm not gonna say no. And then when I was renewing, I asked, I was like, can you reduce my rent? She's like, okay. And then last